Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. Today's meditation is for you. If you are ready to fully step into trusting your intuition, in this meditation, you are guided to drop into a space of relaxation, rest, and receiving, deeply breathing. We grow in trust in this meditation, and we visualize ourselves releasing anything we no longer need, everything from the past, we let it go. And we feel this sense of freedom and allowance and expansion, trust of our intuition, and we allow for new beginnings. When we align so deeply, so closely within our own inner wisdom, with this power of love that exists around us. And it is necessary to, every day, take some quiet time to breathe and connect with yourself. And so I hope you enjoy this opportunity to drop into you, to love yourself, and to continue walking this blessed path of life. Enjoy your meditation. Pause this meditation in order to light a candle, play your favorite relaxing music. Have your journal close by to immediately follow up with a writing experience. When you feel ready, you can turn your outer gaze inward. We notice our breath in this moment. And we set the intention for this meditation to unfold for our own highest good and the highest good of all of those in our lives. We set the intention of strong, clear, solid alignment with our inner self, with our higher wisdom, with our God self, with our source energy. We set the intention to be fully present with our inner world, with ourselves, arriving in this moment to be at peace with ourselves, to be one with our truest nature, to relax, to open, to receive. We notice our feet firmly planted on the ground. We feel that strong earth connection. We feel earth energy easily and naturally bubbling up toward us. We take a few moments to breathe with the earth. We bring our inner gaze upward, up through the layers of the atmosphere toward the source energy, the sun energy. And we take some deep breaths and align with this beautiful, golden, warm, healing energy. We can feel this connection to source energy at our crown, at the top of our head. We feel ourselves connected, opening and receiving. We bring our awareness now into the heart space, visualizing green, the color of the heart chakra, love energy, this place of connecting earth and sky. When we breathe in, we allow this earth and sky energy to meet in our heart. If it feels right to you, bring a hand to your heart. And you slow your breath even more in this moment. Notice with each slow exhale, your body settles, your body rests, your body releases. We choose right now to sit in the space of trust. We visualize this word trust in our mind's eye. We see this word trust flying around us, maybe many words, as many as you can imagine, just this word trust, almost as if it's fluttering by like a butterfly or angel wings. And this trust just moves around us, swirling and twirling around us. And in your mind's eye, you might feel this spiral, this movement of trust, this flow of trust as it moves and flies and floats past you in this spiral way. And as we breathe so deep, we feel this trust expanding within ourselves. We feel this trust of the unfolding of our lives. All is in divine order. We feel this trust seeping into our skin, our fascia, our tendons and ligaments, our muscles, our bones, the bone marrow even. Breathe deeply in to trust and allow your whole self to be permeated with this trust. Feel yourself growing stronger in your trust of the divine unfolding of your life. When we pause to rest like this, when we pause to settle, we grow stronger. Our lives become more vibrant. We become all that we are capable of in this life. Everything we desire flows our way with ease. We begin to notice our relationships improving. We begin to notice our joy and zeal for life expanding. We begin to notice magic in our lives when we pause and breathe and rest and receive. We trust in our own intuition. We trust in the whispers that move through our own hearts. As we breathe deeply, our intuition grows stronger. Our trust in our own intuition grows stronger. It's almost as if we know exactly which way to turn, how to move, what to say. We choose to be strong in the trust of our own intuition. We have the answers we need inside of ourselves. Take your palms and place them facing up in a receptive posture. We can visualize the source energy flowing into our palms as if we could hold it. We can visualize our spirit guides present with us, surrounding us, holding us, loving us, guiding us. And right now you may have a question that is percolating in your minds, in your life, in your present moment reality. What is this question that you have been percolating with? In your mind's eye, just speak this question in your heart. Feel this question bubble up and speak this question out into the universe to be received by all that is. Earth and sky receive our question, and we sit receptive, open, heart open, hands receiving. We sit willing to receive the wisdom that flows through us. Take a few quiet moments to breathe and receive. Thank your inner wisdom. Thank the love energy that surrounds us. Fully receive these messages into your heart, into your hands, and offer gratitude. We trust our intuition. We know that we are divinely guided. We know that all is unfolding for our highest good. We know that every move we make is perfectly inspired. And in order to be fully receptive, open to new beginnings, all possibilities, we released everything. We release everything from the past. You can picture all this stuff filling a backpack, a big pack. Like you're going on a big hike somewhere, you have a big pack on your back, and it's filled with all this stuff of the past. There it is, heavy, hard to hold, filled to the brim. Every experience, person, place, thing, no longer needed from the past because we are stepping fully into our own brilliance. We stuff it all in this backpack. We say thank you for everything in this backpack, for it has brought us to this place where we are now. We say thank you. When we imagine ourselves walking to a beautiful space in nature, taking off this heavy pack and seeing it just dissolve into the earth. The earth takes it and recycles it, reuses it. Take a deep breath and exhale. Nobody can hear you, so just yell it out, moan it out, release it with your breath and your voice. Maybe even shake your arms, wiggle your shoulders. There's freedom here. And here we are, returning to our brilliant self, the one we were meant to be, the one we are designed to be, the one we are to remember we are. Here we are, shining so bright, earth and sky in our hearts, stepping forward into new beginnings, trusting our intuition and knowing that we are divinely guided. And when you feel ready, you can come back to this body, wiggle your fingers, be right here, right now. In this moment, we say thank you. Thank you, thank you. Life is a precious gift. We are meant to embrace, enjoy, blossom, have fun, and create exactly what we want. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and gently move to your journal to solidify what you have learned, what you know to be true, to nurture the relationship you have with you. Find your way to your journal and set your timer for at least 8 minutes. Allow all the words and feelings and emotions of this present moment experience to flow through you onto the paper. And in doing so, we grow, we learn, we see, new wisdom is explored, and we are truly honoring ourselves and our life journey. We release in new ways. We say thank you. Namaste. Thank you so much. Be well. Much love.